Some of the tricks to what means using different colors on the base color that you have to make it look like it's been painted over and over again using multiple colors. So the first trick is to use a small putty knife or spatula. Metal works fine, plastic is not so great because it's not as exact, and the trick is just to get a little bit dabbed on the edge. And the further it is down from the knife, the harder it is going to be to get it on there. You want it right at the tip. But the trick about the tip is that it's so close to the piece itself that it could accidentally put too much in it. So the first time you scrape it, we're gonna use a scraping technique or dragging technique. The first time you do that, you want to make sure that it's almost lifted straight up so barely any paint touches the surface. And we're just going to go for a distressed look across the edge like this. Just in random pieces it drops. And then once we've got a little bit off the edge, then we want to go a little bit on the edges. Makes it look kind of grungy. And then we've got just a little bit left on there. And we can drag the rest across. Try it again on this side. Just a little dragging. And putting some on the edge gives it the appearance that it was painted before, and then the color that it was painted is lifting or aging on the edge and starting to appear. Okay, now that the white is completed, we're coming back with some accent blue, just using the same colors that we've used on the piece already. Again, we're just trying to give it that sense that it's been painted multiple times before and weathered with age. Okay, I've used all the colors in my palette to do some color distressing on every side. You don't have to do as much as I did. Sometimes it goes way past looking like it's color distressing and more like it's been in the paint shop and used to paint other stuff forever and never got a good paint job. But in this case, I'm going to leave it like it is because sometimes paint doesn't just have to be the background. It can be part of the story itself, and that makes your design not have to work as hard. Like if you had sunflowers.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine.